Last one to go. Put in light a come.
Step in there.
Push up in night a come down. That's it, Dawson. Look at that now.
Good mason work.
Talk to them again there.
When you get good mason work,
Look at that.
your work done properly.
You understand?
I have no problem, not see no crack around the edge. Yes, big up, thumbs up to the mason. Thumbs up.
Yeah man, people, the original lectures.
Yeah.
I'm a put in the people them recess light, you understand? Yeah man.
We are beat and teach.
Alright. Electrician say you can't work site or leak.
That's what you say.
Talk to the people them there.
Alright.
Tell them how it's supposed to be done.
Alright, so yeah, there we show you pipe work first and only. So if the pipe work done properly, there's no problem.
Understand?
Yeah. So now we install the light. See it? 4-inch recess right, isn't it?
That is it.
So that's how we have the blue for neutral and the brown for hot. So I put the brown on the radio. You understand?
Color code that in the people. You hear that? Talk to them again. They say the brown for the what?
Yeah, the brown I'll go to the red.
Okay.
So the brown I'll go to the hot. All the time.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's how we know. Brown always be hot. And blue always be neutral.
Alright. So I learn something peeps.
Yeah, so you have to plug back this inside this. You have a slot, isn't it? So you can run. Go on.
Do the installation, make them see it. Start.
Push this up there like that. And stay up. What?
See that time now?
Just like that.
So,
What?
now if you can put a little silicone on the top of it. And the seal up properly.
Then I'm going to see it.
But you can leave it like that same way. If you like.
No, drop out because you have a rubber to hold it up there with the spring. As long as the spring good.
Yeah. You have to put it and put it back. Yeah, slip it down. So I two clip. I hold them inside like box up here. So then I'll put it back up and stay like that. So you
Awesome.
go over and hold it tight. Yeah,
is it.
fall out. Yeah.
And then when they are putting in the people, then switch,
Yeah.
plug, everything, see there? So we put on the flat screen on the wall, man. Yeah? So the peeps plug gone in already.
Yeah, man, yeah, put that up.
Yeah. See it there?
Put that up.
Plug them gone in on the wall. Yeah, man. Switch gone in. Have a 220 to connect right there, so.
So install it now.
So we install it, you know what I mean? Switch on the wall. Although we're not through with rendering around here so yet, but yeah. We go pull off back these things and render the wall and then we put them back, you understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That is it, peeps. Receptacle gone in and stuff like that. Yeah, man. So the boss on the job,
Not leaving until it's finished.
put in all of the recess them, you understand?
Yeah.
That is it, man.
I'm sure I'm going to splice my wire. I'm not really carrying too long neutral in them. And now, connect the neutral and we do it this way. We prefer it this way. One hand carry it way down to here. So pull out the nigga like this. Pull out the nigga. Make it go between. And then fold this one right here. And then we lock it together. Mosquito bite here. Yeah.
Electricity pan them, man, and shock them.
I work with wire nut. I work with tape. Up in the decking, me like use wire nut. Yeah. Hold my connection them firm and tape. Tape when the time get hot. That's why I take my tape with
Real off.
real off, you know?
Understand?
Yeah, so
Yeah, man.
prefer it this way.
That is it, man. Electrician are teaching us some things, you know, guys. So, all
I
I
never
want
never cut two wire one time at the same time. I cut one and then I cut the other. Yeah, because you know when current then I wire, so always they're on the safe side.
yeah,
Yeah.
a short circuit.
Yeah, you know I hear everything was up.
Aye.
Yeah. Yeah, hold up. Mr. Fix it up already.
Right, next round. You see back come in and say something like you know.
Round three. Always remember people, the blue wire, you don't get to show that blue wire.
See it there?
Yeah.
The cables them see it.
So, blue wire. Blue wire. Yeah, and the brown always be hot. Brown always be the hot people. And the blue always be the neutral. Get this again.
No, I didn't use.
That is it. Can't say you don't learn something, you understand, guys?
Yeah, treat them safe, man.
Electrician are teaching you guys some things, you know what I mean? So all of you want to go and do your own thing,
Yeah.
learn something.
Can start from here, so. Can start from here, so.
Welcome to class.
Yeah. Beat and teach.
If them not learn, I'm going to beat them, make them learn.
All I would say recess them have a spoil up on something. Beat and teach. That second one, I see second one, look. Show the first one over this again.
That is it, man.
They can't go like they
See it there, guys? I say can't go up there, see it there? I eat that.
It's not a tray ceiling, it's not a wood ceiling. Concrete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
concrete.
So we have a couple more to go, you understand?
Yeah. So catch you up later.
So now we soon see the rest of it, guys.
Yeah.
Soup man over the side of you. And I miss a correction today, I miss a soup man.
The soup. The soup.
Yeah, but
I make you nervous.
so all who ask when me learn trade from them man over there, so you understand? It's a correction. Yeah, man. Learn whole heap of things from them man over there, so you understand? So when you go to Archers peeps, you ask if a survey ticket will come for. So you don't know it already, you know what I mean?
Boil up, man. Boil up, man. Boil up.
I want to take a...
Hard.
Now, okay, I'm going to show a flat part of it. One of them take you.
Feel good? Not at all.
All of them take you away.
Not at all. That's it.
Plug up. In the future, we'll take the motor and change it. So this is more to a different shade. The thing them man. Look at that.
Good boy, man. Good boy.
Is you putting the recess light there? Look at that.
Boy.
String you up now it a come. See there? Last one to go. Put in light a come. Push up in light a come down. Look at that now. Alright, that's it, Dawson. Look at that now.
Good mason work.
Talk to them again there.
When you get good mason work,
Look at that.
your work done properly.
You understand?
No problem, like there's no crack around the edge. Chipping around me. Good mason. Big up, thumbs up to the mason. Thumbs up.
What time it is? You know what time it is? I'm gonna draw through the main right now. What time? 5:30? Night, no.
Why? Really? You son in school? Easy me dear. What me just want to get inside.
Just call him long with you and go long, brother.
Yeah.
What that there? A break of that. Over across the road, the light post then. There's a pool life fish line.
10 feet apart.
Eh? They have 40 feet left.
No, can't fish. Plastic one.
Plastic. That the piece here push a plastic.
Rich.
one.
Three of them are go.
Three of them, the one you go. Three of them.
Yeah, 3 more go.
I go pay 1.5. Quite a buck. Imagine everything you from you. Yeah, man, imagine everything you when you
Donkey years.
black coffee.
Render it up and plenty.
You can go back to the phone.
Is that what you say?
This is half a grease. Because this is a boy. You can't tell it. You thought you were like Canada, I suppose. I'm from like Canada.
Just step it out. Night a come. Fish outy. That's about 500 feet gone up there, man. Set it up there. Yeah, boat up on it. All it awesome.
Where I can't well you.
We are done that.
Whoa. Rest.
We are done it. No reject. Oh yeah. That's you say.
Yeah?
You come to the show?
Very good man.
Good man.
That's why man take a big box there. So you want to live about 3 hours away at night.